Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to insert a game cartridge into the Nintendo Switch. These will be some easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. And yes, you can see me through that reflection right there, just so you know what I sort of do behind the scenes of the camera. So let's get right into the video. What I have here is a simple game cartridge. This is one of my favorite games to play right now at the time of filming this, Just Dance 2022. But you can sort of do this with any game cartridge, okay? Fun fact about this game, my wife and I bought this with the intention of obviously playing it with our kids. And then we play with them, obviously, but myself and my wife end up playing this alone oftentimes because we just enjoy it so much. So if you're looking for a new fun game to play, this is one of my top recommendations, believe it or not. So anyways, at the top here, there's a little spot that says game card, okay? So what we're gonna do, I'll just place it to the side like that. We're gonna open this up. There's a little bit of an indent right here. I'm just gonna use my finger to sort of open that up. And that exposes this slot. Now, before you insert your game, you wanna make sure there's not a game in there. If you try and insert your game while there's a game in there, obviously it won't go in and you risk, causing some damage. So make sure there's no game in there. Now what you're gonna do is get your game and you're gonna hold it in a certain orientation. I'll show you. You want the label to be facing you. So the game actual artwork to be facing you, and that's if you're looking at the screen of the Switch. So we're looking at the screen of the Switch, the label is facing me, okay? And if you look at the back side, sorry about that, if you look at the back side, the gold contacts are on the bottom portion. So they're gonna end up going into the Switch first. So the gold contacts are at the bottom and the label's facing me if we are looking at the screen of the Switch. Now what we're gonna do is place it like that, label facing me, gold contacts at the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna slide it into position here. Okay, you're gonna get it ready. And then what you're gonna do is press it down and it's gonna click into place. So listen closely. Oh, sorry about that. So it wasn't in position first, just so it's clear. So you're gonna get the game and it was resting sort of up here, but you wanna get it nice and low like that, okay? So it's just barely sticking out. And then from this point, you're gonna click it in. Before it was just sort of resting like that. You wanna get it nice and low, like that over there, and then we're gonna click it down and you'll see it stays lower. So listen closely. There you go. So I clicked it down, it stays lower. The Switch turned on because it sensed that I was putting in a game. And now that it's nice and low and in position, okay, now I can close the game card slot and that just allows it to stay closed. It says the game card cannot be read. I'm not sure why this is popping up. It should work. I literally was just playing it. Oops. Okay. We're gonna have to put that back on. I was just literally just playing it. So once again, I'm gonna put it back in and it should work. Like I said, it should be perfectly fine. If I open up my Switch, it should be popped up right there. Oops. There we go. A system update is required to use the memory card. No problem. We don't have to read this. It's just saying to perform a system update, I can go do it later. I'm going to click later. But as you can see, Just Dance 2022 is inserted. So I know the game card works. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to put this back on. As far as I know, it didn't break. I'm going to have to just pop it back in place. Maybe I'll do a separate video about that in the future. So that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Actually, before I finish, let me just clarify. To remove the game, I figured I should show you that as well. You just push it down and pull it out. So to insert it, that's how you remove it, and to insert it, once again, get into position and click it down in place like that. And that's it. Should work. If it shows that the game card is inserted right there, no problem. Okay, no problem. I will update it later. A micro SD XC memory card has been inserted. Update the system to use this SD card later. I'm going to have to do this or else it's going to keep popping up with all the videos I'm doing. So I'll update it later. But that's how to insert a game cartridge. This has been a longer than anticipated tutorial, but sort of had to jump through some hoops on the way. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.